Verifying your account on Monese is a straightforward process that ensures your identity and helps keep your account secure. Follow these steps to complete your verification. Step 1. Download the Monese app. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Enter personal information. After creating your account, you will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your full name, date of birth, and address accurately, as this information will be used for verification. Step 3. Provide identification. Next, you will need to upload a valid form of identification. This can be a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Make sure the document is clear and all details are visible. Step 4. Take a selfie. To further verify your identity, you will be asked to take a selfie. Ensure that your face is well lit and clearly visible in a photo. This step helps Monese confirm that the ID you provided belongs to you. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information and documents, wait for Monese to review your application. This process may take a few minutes to a few hours. You will receive a notification once your account is verified. Once you have completed these steps, your Monese account will be verified, allowing you to access all features and services.